Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the hidden treasure in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, first of all guys, you need to wait for the treasure hunt event, and when this icon appear on your screen, it means that the treasure hunt event has been started and the treasure is spawned somewhere under the sea. And you need to prepare your boat to find the treasure hunt location, and you need to activate your fishing radar as well because it will help you to find the treasure hunt location. And after you have prepared all the equipments for the treasure hunt, you can search the treasure hunt location, and it will be on the ocean. And then don't forget to wear your diving gear, guys, because we need to dive to find the treasure. And after I have been searching for a while, finally I could find the treasure hunt location. And you need to dive in. Then you will find this shipwreck. And you can open the treasure there. And just keep diving. And you will see a treasure here. And you need to open it. Okay, you can open the chest, and if you're lucky, you will get a lantern. And oh, I got 10k coins, and yeah, not bad. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the hidden treasure and fish it. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.